Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the depths of our planet's last frontier, the ocean. But we're not just talking about any underwater vehicles. We're diving into the world of game-changing hydrogen-powered autonomous underwater vehicles that promise to revolutionize how we explore the deep ocean. Traditional underwater vehicles, while remarkable, have their limitations. They rely on batteries, which limit their depth and duration capabilities. Segment 1: The science behind it. Let's begin by unraveling the science behind these groundbreaking vehicles. Hydrogen fuel cells, at their core, work by converting hydrogen and oxygen into electricity, producing energy to power the vehicle while releasing only water as a byproduct. This technology's efficiency and eco-friendliness are simply astonishing. This breakthrough in energy production has opened doors to a multitude of applications. Today, we focus on one of the most exciting, underwater exploration. Segment 2: Cutting-edge technology. Now, let's delve into the cutting-edge technology that brings these vehicles to life. These hydrogen-powered autonomous underwater vehicles are a testament to human innovation. They're equipped with lightweight, high-capacity hydrogen storage systems that allow them to remain submerged for extended periods. Their propulsion systems are silent, in stark contrast to traditional AUVs with their noisy internal combustion engines or battery-powered motors. This makes them ideal for stealthy underwater missions. Segment 3: Unprecedented exploration. So, what can these hydrogen-powered AUVs achieve that their predecessors cannot? An AUV elegantly descending into the abyss of the ocean, disappearing into the blue depths. They can reach depths previously thought unreachable, embarking on missions to explore deep-sea trenches, hydrothermal vents, and pristine ecosystems hidden from human eyes. These remarkable vehicles are equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and high-definition cameras that capture stunning footage of the deep sea, allowing us to witness the wonders and mysteries of the ocean like never before. Segment 4: Real-life applications. Camera switches to interviews with marine scientists and engineers. But the potential of these vehicles doesn't stop there. They have incredible real-life applications. In the world of marine research, these AUVs are a true game-changer. They enable us to gather data on ocean currents, temperature, marine life, and geological features with unparalleled precision. When it comes to environmental monitoring, these vehicles are invaluable. They can track and assess the impact of climate change, study underwater ecosystems, and even assist in disaster response by assessing damage to underwater infrastructure. Segment 5: The future of exploration. As we conclude today's exploration, it's evident that these hydrogen-powered autonomous underwater vehicles are poised to redefine the rules of underwater exploration. They represent a new frontier in underwater exploration, one that promises to both surprise and inspire the world. Scientists and engineers are continuously pushing the boundaries of what these vehicles can achieve. The future holds audacious missions to explore the icy depths of Europa's oceans, investigate underwater volcanoes, and search for ancient shipwrecks lost to the ages. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary voyage into the future of ocean exploration. If, like us, you're captivated by the potential of these hydrogen-powered AUVs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until our next adventure, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the unknown. This is us, signing off.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the red button to subscribe for more videos.